BBA-IB, Bachelor of Business Administration, International Business. The name itself is exhausting, and we expect to learn international business within the four walls of classroom. I think we are misleading ourselves. What if I tell you BBA-IB program that offers you real world knowledge of import-export by actually getting you into the real world of international business? Yes, the answer is our Practical BBA-IB program. This program is not just about the theory. We get you in real world situations to understand global trade dynamics, international marketing and foreign trade laws, all under the guidance of industry experts. Starting from your second year, you get on-the-job training, you will be applying your knowledge, gaining invaluable experience and earning a handsome stipend. Supercharge your global career with Practical Eduskills. Develop the essential skills needed for India's growing international trade industry and turn your BBA-IB degree into a powerful tool for a successful worldwide profession. Register now and start your international career.